In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie a simple constrictor slip knot. So let us learn together. So you have the object that you want to constrict, so you will just pass the working end of the rope over that object, forming a loop and making an X at this point, as shown here. Then you will carry it over the object another time. Now grab a hold of that working end and you're going to carry it across the standing part of the rope. Then you're going to form a loop just like this, and then you're going to insert that loop up through the middle where that X is. So you're going to pass it just beneath that X up through the middle, just like this, and then you're going to pull it tight. So this is what it should look like when you're done. So unlike the regular constrictor knot that is hard to untie, this one is very much easy to lose because it has that loop at the end there, and that working end you can easily just pull on it and it will fall apart just like this. So guys, there you have it, the constrictor slip knot. It can also be used as a hose clamp.